Are you looking for ways to increase efficiency and ensure quality while installing or servicing Resideo, Honeywell Home, and First Alert products? The Resideo Pro App can help you with this, empowering you and your business to improve installation and service procedures, saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Anna from Resideo. Let's look at the features available in the Resideo Pro App. The app is a one-stop shop for managing compatible Resideo, Honeywell Home, and First Alert products. It enables you to connect to the device via Bluetooth and configure device settings from the app. The Resideo Pro App makes setting up and configuring devices simple. Apply a pre-configured template of the ISU settings or enter them manually in the app. Once you have configured a device, you can run diagnostics on the equipment to verify the correct system configuration. Ensure you get the full benefits of a connected device by connecting it to Wi-Fi directly from the app. Another great feature is the ability to invite your customer to register their device in the First Alert app. Just enter the email address the homeowner wants to use for their account to initiate an invitation for them to complete the registration of the device you just installed. By completing this process in the app, a record of the device, location, and customer is created, helping you maintain and track the customers you serve. If you're subscribed to the ProIQ Analyze or Engage service, this process enables homeowner app branding in the First Alert app. This puts your company logo and information front and center in the homeowner's app. The Resideo Pro App also provides a wealth of resources to help troubleshoot while on site. With embedded technical documents, support videos, tech tips, quick start guides, and direct access to Resideo Academy, you have a wealth of product information at your fingertips. Utilize the Resideo Part Finder tool directly in the app to search for replacement parts. Simply enter the product you need to replace to cross-reference our Resideo database. Access installation guides, data sheets, and product specs, then share that information for fulfillment. Now that you know how to leverage the Pro App, you're better equipped to improve installation and service procedures within your business. Thanks for watching this tech tip. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy.